Hey, I'm Kemaury Alicea, Kema for short. I am a singer and songwriter, but most importantly, I'm a drummer, and have been for the last 16 years. I'm in a band called Afterthought, where I'm the drummer as well as the singer. The song playing right now is called Keep It Pushin' off our current EP, which will be released digitally on April the 11th. I use the Collision 2B model because I love the short taper, I love the feedback I get from it, I love the feel of it. Even with this short taper, it gives me enough rebound for me to fly around the kit like I did in the video I just showed. These are the best drumsticks. I love the company. Shout out to Carlton, the CEO. Love these guys.